Good afternoon. This will be a quick tutorial on how to print out or how to save a report on Zoom. First thing you want to do is open up Zoom on your web browser. Once you are here, go ahead and sign into your account. It will bring up this dashboard where you will find the Reports tab on the left side. Once you open Reports, go ahead and navigate over to Usage. Under Usage, you can select a certain date. You can actually open up to a month's worth of lessons and reports. In order to view the participants to each lesson, you can just find this hyperlinked number on the right side under the Participants tab. Go ahead and click on it. You can see it at first hand here, or you can export. That way you can actually share an Excel sheet. Once you click save, you can open up the Excel sheet or simply save it so you could send it.